How to download Clash of Clans on Amazon Fire Tablet. First of all, you'll need to go to the App Store, so click the Amazon Apps icon on the home page of your Amazon Fire Tablet. Once you're on the App Store, you want to click the top right hand corner where you see the little magnifying glass icon. Once you're there, you want to type in Clash of Clans. You should see the logo pop up. When you do, click on the logo, then it should just pop up on the Clash of Clans page. Then you can click Get on the right hand side of the screen. Then you should see in the middle of the screen it will say free download, then the green download button next to it. Once you click the download button, it should take either a few seconds or a few minutes to fully download. Then you can click open on this page or click on the Clash of Clans app on the home page of your Amazon Fire Tablet. Once you're there, you can play Clash of Clans as you wish with a new account by creating one in there or by signing into an existing account. Leave a like on the video if that helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.